How do pop-up matcha drink stands prepare for summer crowds? They prepare by planning supplies, speeding up drink assembly, protecting matcha from heat, and organizing the stand for quick, safe service. Before the event, the team estimates how many customers may arrive and prepares enough matcha, milk, ice, cups, lids, straws, napkins, and water. Matcha is a powdered green tea, so it must be whisked with a little cool water before milk or juice is added, which prevents dry clumps. A useful trick is to sift the powder before the event and pre-portion it into small containers, saving time during busy periods. Staff should keep matcha and dairy products in a shaded cooler, because heat can reduce freshness and make milk unsafe. Ice should be stored separately from raw ingredients and handled with a clean scoop. The menu should stay small, with a few popular choices that can be made quickly instead of many complicated drinks. The team can practice a simple assembly line where one person takes orders, another mixes drinks, and another adds ice and seals cups. It also helps to prepare signs showing sizes, ingredients, prices, and possible allergens, so customers can decide before reaching the counter. Since matcha contains caffeine, the stand should describe it clearly, especially for children and people who avoid caffeine. One common mistake is preparing too much matcha in advance because the flavor and color can change after sitting. Mix smaller batches and refresh them regularly. Another mistake is using warm ice or leaving milk in the sun, so use insulated coolers, shade, and temperature checks throughout the event. Some stands also offer too many custom choices, which slows the line. Keep the main menu simple and charge clearly for special editions. Finally, never guess how much stock is needed, because running out of cups or ice can stop sales even when plenty of matcha remains. Track sales during the first hour and adjust the next batch. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.